Hey Biscuits, welcome back to the channel. So I did a quick speed clean of the living room, and you know what it reminded me of? When I first started doing cleaning videos on here, they were mainly of my living room. And it just brought me back to kind of full circle, like, oh, it's fun. I haven't done a lot of living room speed cleans of late because I've been working on getting my son to, pick up after himself and help tidy more. And I've just kind of been focusing on more deep cleans and, total disaster cleaning. So it's kind of fun to get back to the original, just a quick speed clean, pick up toys, sweep, get things kind of presentable without a big giant super deep clean. So it's fun. Come along, come clean with me. I'm just trying to kind of get the house to be a little bit less of a disaster, which, only works so well. So let's get cleaning. Okay, important topic. Let's talk about brooms. So I bought this broom several years ago, I think from Home Depot, I want to say. And I've trimmed it back a little bit. In fact, I'm going to do another video to show you kind of ways that I try to extend the life of a lot of my cleaning tools, like my brooms and my mops and things like that. But this fall, I'm kind of feeling like I want to get a few new cleaning supplies, because my old ones just aren't working quite as well. So tell me, what are your favorite brooms? Like, which ones do you enjoy? Do you like the natural fiber? Do you get a synthetic fiber brush? Where do you shop for your brooms that you have success with something that really lasts a long time and that sweeps really well? Because I'm constantly having to sweep things up before I can even vacuum, because stuff just gets left on the floor that's chunks, rocks come in from outside, crazy things, and I don't even have a dog. So let me know, tell me in the comments, what are your top brands or top places to buy a broom from? thank you so much for always giving these a thumbs up, emailing me and letting me know, and leaving comments that you love the clean, that it inspires you to get cleaning yourself, because that's really why I make these videos, is as a way to share kind of my honest cleaning experience, which is your house gets messy even if you clean all the time, and that's okay. You just keep kind of pecking away at piece to keep it as tidy as you reasonably can. I'm going to see you over in the next video. Oh yeah. If you would like to see the full uncut version of this cleaning video, I always post my full versions of my cleaning vlogs over on my Patreon, and I'll see you over on Instagram as well. Thanks, biscuits.